Okay, so today we're going to practice using benchmark fractions to compare other more complicated fractions. So can anybody tell me what a benchmark fraction is? Do you have any idea? Yeah, Melissa.
Is it something that's like common? Like we all know like half of a pizza?
Exactly. So it's something that you already know. So you know half and you know how big it is in relation to a whole. And so we're going to use that to think about more complex fractions. So each of you has a number line right here that you're going to use. And usually I'd use the document camera, but today we're going to use the whiteboard. So I have a number line up here. And now I will ask for volunteers to plot 1 and 0 on here. Who wants to give that a go? Melissa, yeah, of course. There's that.
Can I just put it anywhere I want?
Yeah, do what you think is going to make sense. If we're going to plot some fractions between 0 and 1, where do you want to put 0? Awesome, that's exactly where I would have put it. And then 1. Yeah, awesome, right at the other end. So, Melissa plotted 0 and 1, and now Maddie, do you want to try plotting 1/2? That's our most popular benchmark fraction. Awesome. Perfect, so 1/2 is exactly in the middle of 0 and 1. And so, since we know where 1/2 is, it's going to be a lot easier to determine where is something that's a little over 1/2. So we know that 3/6 is the same as 1/2 because we did that in our last unit, right? So if we have something like 4/6, where's that going to be in relation? Yeah, Melissa. You can come point if you want to.
Okay, I think like if this is 3/6, then maybe like right about here.
Right here? Awesome. So we have 4/6 there. And what was your reasoning behind that one?
Because 3 more 6s need to fill up to 1.
Exactly. So if 1/2 is the same as 3/6, which we learned in our last unit, then we already have 1, 2, and then our 3/6 is right here. And so we need to fit those 3 more 6s in here. So 4/6, 5/6, and then 6/6 is the whole. So your reasoning is absolutely correct on there. If you guys want to follow along on your number lines and plot 0, 1/2, and 1, and then if you like where we're going with 4/6, you can plot that too, or you can do another example. That's up to you. Awesome. So, should we do one more example?
Yes.
Okay. So, give me a fraction. What do you want to find on here?
Fourths.
Fourths?
Yeah.
Sure. Let's start over on the number line. We'll get a nice clean one. So we'll do what we did the last time and we'll start with 1/2, with our benchmark fraction of 1/2. So we have 0, 1/2, and then 1. And so if we're doing fourths, how many sections are in 1, between 0 and 1?
4?
4, exactly. It's the denominator. Maddie, can you tell me what the denominator is?
The bottom number.
The bottom number, exactly. So how many are in the whole? So here we have 1/4. And how many fourths is equal to 1/2?
2?
2/4, exactly. And then 3/4. And then how many fourths are equal to 1?
4.
4/4, exactly. So now we know our fourths. So if we know 3/4, how many eighths are equal to 3/4?
6.
6, exactly. I know this is a little rusty, we did it last unit, but we'll practice on this some more. So if we have 6/8, we can use the benchmark fraction of 3/4 to figure out where is 7/8 gonna be. Does somebody want to draw 7/8 for me?
Sure.
Okay. Awesome. So we knew 3/4 was equal to 6/8. And we knew 7/8 was just a little bit bigger than that, and so there we are. It's between 3/4 and 4/4, between 6/8 and 8/8. Does that make sense to everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so let's rate our understanding. How do you feel about this right now on a scale of 1? Use your fingers and show me how you feel. 1 being like, I don't get it at all, and then 10 being, I got this. A 9, a 10. You guys are awesome. So there we go. We're doing really good. And then we'll keep practicing with benchmark fractions and we'll get a little more complex. We'll take it slow and we'll make sure that we get this really good. Okay? Awesome.